Hi guys, so I'm back with a quick tutorial today, and today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. It has been highly requested, so I decided to do one. As you can see, my eyebrows are not groomed, but I thought it might be a good idea to still upload it because I've had a lot of questions on how to get eyebrows nice and neat, although you may not be always groomed. So today I'm just going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Out Pomade in Ebony, and I'm just using a dual brush that I got from Anastasia as well to apply that pomade onto the bottom of my brows. And what I just did there was just ensure that my tail does not go too far out because I don't want it to be too close to my wing liner. And now I'm just brushing that product in, and I'm going to get ready to start outlining the top of my brows. So I do the front of my brows last because I don't want the front of my brows to look too harsh. I like to get that gradient effect. So here I'm just creating light strokes in the front to, like I said, to help with that gradient effect. And then when I'm finished, I'm just going to brush them upwards and blend them into the rest of my brows. So now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and a Morphe M224 brush just to clean up my brows. Once I finish applying that concealer underneath my brows, I'm going to drag the rest of the remaining product down and then go in with an old blending brush from BH Cosmetics to blend out those edges. And now I'm just going to repeat those exact same steps on the top. So once I finish buffing out those edges, I'm just going to repeat those same exact steps on the next brow. So that is all for today's tutorial. I know it was a really quick one. I hope you guys did enjoy. As you guys can see, you do not need perfectly groomed brows to create a perfect brow. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!